guys, just a quick update. We do a lot of dynamic ads in this channel. So I have seen something which is actually irritating a little bit. The breakdown of actually knowing which one is the best image from your dynamic ads is broken. For the past 2 months I can see in several accounts, but not for all of the events. So basically here, one thing that I want to show you is that you can see here that we are not able, by the way you're doing this, you're going to be breakdown by dynamic creative and you do image and it's actually broken. The breakdown of gender, ages and stuff, it's already broken since the iOS changes, but let's discuss about this. By the way, let's make sure now, since we seen a change, age, yeah, it's not working anymore, okay? So it's having everything on the uncategorized, it cannot track. So let's go to the breakdown by dynamic creative image, and we can see here that we are not having the option of understanding which image actually is the one that worked the best. For me, the only solution to that is that when you're having a problem like this, you need to check the spend. When you see the spend and the result is within the rates that you actually want, this is an event within their site, then it means that most probably this is the creative that has actually worked better for them. Another thing, if we check here, for example, this is a lead generation happening within the platform for the same period, and if we check here, breakdown by dynamic image stuff, we can see that it's working for the images and stuff. I also have other sites that I'm working with and other accounts that they have the purchase event and it's working also there. We didn't have any problems. But there are some specific events, most of the custom events, they have issues, and sometimes lead generation ads within the platform, they also have issues on the breakdown of the creative. So if you have this issue, check always the amount spent and see the cost per result. If the cost per result is good, then follow the amount of spend. If your cost per result is good, then wherever the money is being spent, this is the actual creative that has actually worked. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my free course and my book, and be creative and be consistent.